guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. So I received this tiny package the other day. I sort of opened it because I felt what it was, and I knew instantly that this was a bag that I've been waiting for. And I kind of opened it, and as you guys can kind of see, there is a beige, like a tan dust bag in here. That basically confirmed what I knew already. So today we have yet again another kind of like trunk bag. I think I'm still getting the name wrong. But right here we have another Louis Vuitton trunk side bag, and this right here is my third and last one that I purchased. Basically, when I found this seller, I went a little bit crazy. I bought the brown one, which I reviewed about 2 months ago or so, I think. Then I purchased this one right here, which we will review. And then I purchased from a different seller the same kind of style, just in a different color. Just unfortunately, this seller didn't have the green color that I wanted, so I found it through another seller. Anyways, whatever it is, here we have the beautiful bag. I'm so excited, you know, to receive this one. My collection of side bags is pretty much growing, and wow. So this is what it looks like once you take it out of the packaging. The shoulder strap is inside the bag. I'll show you guys right now, and I'll probably time-lapse this portion. Alrighty, so that is pretty much it. I love this one. It would have been perfect if I would have bought the one that has the orange chain on the front. So there's two of these, I believe. There's this one, which is an all black, and then there's another one that it's all black except for this chain right here is actually orange. That one would have been a little bit better, I think, just to add a touch of like pop on this all black bag. But regardless, I still like it, and I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. If you guys don't follow my Instagram yet, I suggest you go ahead and do, because you may see this bag a couple of times in my outfits of the day reels that I have been posting lately on my Instagram. I tend to post reels at least 3 times per week. I wish I could do it daily, but there's days where I really just don't feel like filming anything. Let me just quickly show you. The shoulder bag cannot be adjusted, so the length it has must work with, you know, your height. I know there's people who have longer torsos. I don't. I'm about 5'5", 5'6", somewhere around there. About like 5'5", 5'6" on a sunny day, okay? So this is what it looks like on me. It looks, you know, decent. I like it. I mean, this fit doesn't do it justice, okay, because I'm wearing a black t-shirt, but regardless, super nice. Now, it does make a lot of like weird noises, but it's because, keep in mind, it's brand new. I still have to break it in and all that good jazz. But like I told you, this right here is my third one. I do have the green one over here and the brown one in my bedroom downstairs, because the brown one is the one I have been using the most ever since I bought it, pretty much. That would be it for today's video. This was a very short video, I know, but I just wanted to kind of quickly show you guys what I have been picking up lately for my personal collection. These right here are just, you know, side bags that I want to collect and start using, start to incorporate them on my outfits, because I'm not much of a accessory person, but I'm trying to change that little by little. So hopefully I'll be able to put a nice outfit sometime soon, but until then, I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule.